Welcome back to my channel. It's time to announce the winner of our 800 subscribers giveaway, Brave Valkyrie. So thank you so much for all your support. So this is pure luck and no bias on who's gonna win. So I appreciate the effort of everyone who keeps on commenting on my videos and all those who send me messages. But the winner will be chosen purely out of luck. So here are, turn on the flash. So here is the list of everyone. So currently there are 40 possible winner of our giveaway. If your name was not on the list, please let me know by commenting down below. You still have a chance to win our giveaway for our 1,000 subscribers, Dynamite Belial. So, here's our random number generator. So, let's generate a number. Number 25. So, who is number 25? Number 25 is Jader or Hader Nicolas Montalvo. Congratulations for winning our Brave Valkyrie. Send me a message through the comment section so we can contact each other on how to claim your prize. Congratulations, and for those who luckily didn't win today, you still have a chance for our next giveaway when we reach our 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much and take care, guys.